TLX A spec freshwater flood damage vehicle. I just wanted to show you guys some of the precautions we take before we start them. This was a freshwater flood damage vehicle, and some condensation in the headlights, which is concerning because it looks like the vehicle drove into a deep puddle. So what we do is, you can see water settled over there. So we're worried that maybe water went in through the intake. It looks dry here, but it's possible that it sucked it in through the bottom. So what we do is we pull the plugs, we'll crank it, we'll make sure that all the water is removed from the motor. So what happens is when you crank the vehicle, it'll shoot out all the water from the cylinder heads. But then we also take out the air intake, you know, and just go through the entire top half of the motor just to make sure that there's no water inside. So if you look at the spark plugs, they're not rusted or corroded in any way. So we believe there's no water in the engine, but it's an extra precaution that we take. Do a quick walk around. Body's clean. The insurance company said the water line was up to here, which I believe is false. And I'll show you why in a minute. If it was that high, you would see it in the interior. Body's clean. Really nice. See, this headlight is dry, so you know, I don't think it was that deep. Let's take a look inside. Now, if the water line was where the insurance company said it was, you would see it in here. Alright, I'm gonna say they're false. There's no water line in the carpet. We didn't detail this car yet. Can't see the seat tracks because they're covered with plastic. Interior's just dusty. It doesn't smell like water. Let's check the back. Now you can see here, I'm gonna say the water level was right about there. You can see it settled here somewhere. And look, back here in the cups. So there was about, in the cup holders, about 4 to 5 inches of water in the interior. Which isn't horrible. It is a little deep, but I don't see why we can't get the vehicle running. We'll just have to pull the interior on it, clean the modules, clean the contacts, you know, get it running for the next person that wants to buy the vehicle. It'll be a good project car. We'll keep you posted. Once we get it running, we'll post it on the website. Thanks for watching.